Hey everyone, with just a few days away from the US election here, the midterm election, Instagram has rolled out a new sticker here, and now you could use this I voted Instagram sticker right inside our Instagram story. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you this new Instagram update and how to use it if it's your first time on this channel. I make easy to follow social media and tech videos every single day of the week, and I have well over 350 videos on this channel, so please consider subscribing. So let's jump into the Instagram account. Here the first thing you want to do is to Instagram story. After that, just click any pic which you want. I have clicked here. After that, as you will go ahead and take a picture, and it could be a picture of yourself or it could be any picture here. And to use this sticker, just as always, top right press the sticker icon, and the I voted sticker, you can search it. I voted, you can see here I voted, and it's loading. You can see here many I voted is come here. So now you can see here I voted. You can drag and drop, and it was rolled out of November 9th, right before the midterm election in the US. You could go and ahead and place this anywhere. If you tap, there's two different versions of the stickers. This one with just white text, and this with color. You can resize. You can get many I voted stickers here, and again and put it down. Here you could have the second, and another one is could change the color of that, and then you can have a third one. Here be your step and stickers. They could use it to find their polling locations, so that really look, Instagram is really trying to get more people out of there to go vote, which is awesome. I just gonna change my background, so even you can change your background here, and I can change my by this. You can change, even you can change like this, so it's look cool. If it's your first time watching this video, I make tutorial on Instagram, on social media every single day of the week, and I have well over 350 videos on this channel, so please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching this one.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.